The SSI 2019 R2 release of the Enterprise platform supports an improved method to navigate the operations function. After you've selected items in either Publisher or PublisherLT, clicking on the Operations button will display the improved Operations browser. By default, operations are grouped by output type. For example, if you're interested in outputting a PDF or a NavisWorks Drawing from a ShipConstructor DWG file, simply scroll down to select the required output format. To view the list of operations individually, you can simply remove the grouping condition. Regardless of which view you prefer, sorting and filtering of columns is always possible. Sorting by ascending or descending alphanumeric order is performed by pressing the triangular direction icon. Filtering is accomplished by pressing the funnel icon. To change the view back to being grouped by output type, simply drag and drop the output type column header to the grouping bar. Descriptions of operations are also now available in the improved Operations browser. These can be displayed by clicking on the Show Description toggle button and then selecting the operation you'd like to have detailed. Finally, to pick a specific operation, simply select it using the checkbox. Multiple operations may also be selected in this way. To confirm these selections, press the OK button. The SSI 2019 R2 Enterprise Platform Operations Browser helps you navigate effectively within operations to get the most out of Enterprise Platform.